So what's the number one property investment strategy right now? Well, I believe it's all to do with commercial properties, to do with repurposing the many defunct commercial buildings there are out there, repurposing them to alternative commercial uses, and repurposing them to residential uses as well as adding extra floor space. This extra opportunity, of course, has just got even bigger. The fact that we've got a recession, we've got more commercial properties becoming available, and we've also got these added extra permitted development rights that allow us to do so much with commercial properties. I'm on top of a rooftop of an office building here, and under permitted development, we can add 2 extra floors to this here building. Over these last few weeks, we've been doing an extensive audit of our commercial property portfolio, and we've found by utilizing the new commercial property repurposing and permitted development rights that are coming on stream, we can actually add more than 15,000 square foot of extra floor space across the commercial property portfolio. Now, last week I ran a webinar, a free training session, 90 minutes of training, to help you equip yourselves with what you need to know to take advantage of these permitted development rights which are coming right now. Now, last week's webinar, we only had 500 places and it was absolutely full. I know we had people wanting to join the webinar but couldn't get through. We had some great feedback from it, and I've got even more information to share with you now. So because of all the emails that I've had for people that couldn't get through last Sunday, we're doing it again this Sunday. It's free. 90 minutes worth of training. It's about how you can use these new permitted development rights to repurpose commercial buildings which are defunct, repurpose them to residential use, repurpose them to alternative commercial uses, and also add extra floor space to some of these commercial buildings without the need for planning permission. Spaces will be limited again. We have got a little bit more capacity, but we'll max out at about 600 or so. So don't be disappointed. We're not going to run that many of these. Register. It's this Sunday evening, 7 p.m, absolutely free. The link is below. Sign up now and join me on Sunday for 90 minutes of eye-opening opportunities of what you can do with commercial properties. These may be commercial properties you already own. These may be commercial properties you're looking at buying. I'll share with you, if you're looking at buying commercial properties, I'll share with you what commercial properties to avoid, because these permitted development rights do not apply in some cases. And so there'll be many commercial properties available, but some you won't be able to make use of. I'll share with you the ones that you can make use of. So join me on Sunday. The link is here. Do it now, don't delay. But meanwhile, I'll leave you with some views from this rooftop. And in a couple of years' time, these views will get even better when we are a couple of stories further up. Bye for now, guys.